Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break. Today, doing a blaster box of the brand new 2017 Topps Heritage Baseball. Pick this up at Target, look for exclusive 1968 Topps Game Rookie cards. This is the 68 design. I'll show you guys the odds here. Actually, I'll get this off and then show it to you. But I've got 8 packs here with 7 cards. There's 9 cards. I think it's 9 cards per pack. So let's get to it. Used the coupon from the Series 1 blaster that I got from Target, and it was a coupon for $3 off of a value box of 2017 Heritage, so $3 off is pretty cool. Surprised I remembered it. I'll show you guys the odds here. There you go. Alright, 2017 Topps Heritage Baseball. Okay, pack number 1. There are short prints, there's graybacks, it's quite a bit of stuff. Rangers, Jed Jericho, Gerard Dyson, Rookie Stars, Adam Plutko and Percy Garner. New Age Performers, Francisco Lindor insert. Miguel Montero, Ryan Vogelsong. 2016 World Series, Cubs fly the W, and Colby Rasmus. Derek Norris, Eddie Rosario, Marcus Stroman, Curtis Granderson, Todd Frazier, Billy Butler, Reds team card, Angel Pagan, and Hanley Ramirez. I think the Frazier, Frazier's a short print. Uh, 2017 Rookie Stars of Brian Goodwin and Spencer Kieboom. Martin Maldonado, Paul Orlando, Rookie Stars of Robbie Scott and Andrew Benintendi. That's a nice one. Got an insert. I believe this is the 68 Topps game, and it is of Gary. No, that's not Gary Sanchez. Who is that? Aaron Judge. Oh, I thought Gary Sanchez. I'm thinking last year. Aaron Judge. Rookie. Aaron Judge. Forgot he's a rookie. AJ Pollock, Mitch Moreland, World Series Sluggers Return, Powers, Cubs, and Huston Street. That's Schwarber. That's neat. I like that. That's pretty cool. Trying to just quickly see if there's any back variations or anything like that. Benintendi, there we go. There's graybacks. I think there's like I want to say that there's like a bright yellow back also. Pedro Alvarez, Joe Mauer, Marco Estrada, Chris Iannetta, and Aledmys Diaz. 68 Topps game. I want to say that's a. Not sure if that's the rookie though. I guess. No, wasn't he a rookie last year? I don't know now. He was a rookie last year. Can't remember. Insert JT Romaldo, Dodgers, Scott Kazmir, Logan Morrison. I'm sure Cardinals fans or other people are yelling at their computer right now or phone about me screwing that up. Oh well. Jake Thompson, Roman Quinn, Rookie Stars, Ender Inciarte, Mark Reynolds. Topps News, Bryce Harper. Probably makes Chris Bryant, doesn't it? Puzzle piece. Set that right there. Freddie Freeman, Chase Peterson, Danny Espinosa, 2016 pitching leaders, Scherzer, Lester and Arrieta, and R.A. Dickey. 449, Freddie Freeman, short print. Three packs left. Alright, Anthony Rendon, Victor Martinez, Sean Manaea, Mike Napoli, Then and Now of Fergie Jenkins and Kyle Hendricks insert. JD Martinez, Rookie Stars, Alex Bregman and Yulieski Gurriel, Leonis Martin, and Gerardo Parra. Alright, Hunter Dozier and Matt Strahm, Rookie Stars, Jason Hayward, Billy Hamilton, Topps News, David Ortiz. That's Trout. The other one's a Cub, right? Yeah. I don't know, I guess there's two. I'll have to look that up. Devin Travis, Michael Conforto, Lorenzo Cain, Topps News, Buster Posey. Yeah, that's got to be Chris Bryant piece right there. And Jonathan Villar. And the last pack of the box. Francisco Cervelli, Starlin Castro, Pat Neshek, Matt Moore, Brian Dozier, Rookie Stars, Trey Mancini and Donnie Hart, Stephen Vogt, Chris Tillman, and Young Ho Park. So I don't think got any action variations. Actually, I don't think there's any variations on this. No graybacks or anything. No hit. Kind of very bland. Bland blaster. Graybacks are pretty hard to get. 1 in 529, yep, bright yellow. Man, I didn't even get a chrome. So kind of not really anything in this. Too bad. Yeah, that was a pretty, unless there's like a color swap or I missed like a throwback uniform. Pretty uneventful. Just your standard Heritage Blaster. Man, usually I can get a chrome or something. Not often I get just basic kind of. But the cards are nice looking. I was never really a fan of the 68 design, but for some reason I really like these. I don't know why. I don't know why I wouldn't care for the 68 design, but then like these. That's weird. Very weird. I don't think there's any bright yellows. Probably noticed those. Got some inserts. This is the rookie, and then this is the regular Topps game. This is 1 in 10, this is 1 in 8. So, Aaron Judge, and then Aledmys Diaz. Benintendi rookie. A few short prints here. And these two inserts, and then the Topps News cards. So, there you have it, 2017 Topps Heritage Baseball. That is a blaster box. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next one.